technology is storing and accessing data, programs and other services over internet instead of your computer's hardware. This is what cloud technology is. So before we are discussing about cloud technology, we must know about what's cloud. So cloud is a group of software, or in other terms, in telecommunications, a cloud refers to a public or semi-public space on transmission line that exists between the endpoints of a transmission. So actually a cloud system is a space where we can access through internet. This is what cloud is. So among this technology we can say it as cloud technology. We can access this space via internet by paying money. There are many examples regarding cloud system among our environment. Some of them are in our mobile phone. Samsung cloud is there, Vivo cloud is there, Oppo cloud is there. In Google Drive is the cloud, and Amazon they have cloud systems. So every app or every mobile they are providing cloud systems. So if you are going detailed about what's cloud technology or cloud computing is a type of computing that relies on a shared computing resources rather than having a local services or personal device to handle the operations. So in simple terms, what it is like, we all are the people who are using Google Photos and all those things. So the Google Photos, among the Google Photos, they are providing the storage capacity of 15 MB. But if that 50 MB is going to fill, then we can hire the space on Google Photos by paying the amount of money. It's of 250, it's of 500 and 1500. What amount of resource we are needed or what amount of storage we are needed, we can hire that space by paying money. So this is cloud system, and the most important quality of this cloud system is it is secured and we can use this system at any time and anywhere through internet. If the internet facility is there is no doubt that we can use this cloud system very easily. So this is what all about cloud system. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is NIST, they had more detailed information regarding cloud technology. There are some characteristics for cloud technology. There exist some characteristics. So let's discuss what are the characteristics of cloud technology. First characteristics of cloud technology is on-demand self-service. So what is on-demand self-service? On-demand self-service means that cloud customers can sign up and pay and start using the cloud resources very quickly without any agent or mediator. That means what the amount the customer is going to pay, they can use that service directly without using a mediator. This is what on-demand self-service says. And the second characteristic is broad network access. By its name only, we can say that what is broad access service or what is broad network access. That means that the customers access cloud technology via internet. So if there is internet facility or there is internet availability, the customers can own the cloud technology through internet. This is what broad network access. And the third characteristic is resource pooling. Resource pooling means that many different customers are there. They may be of individual or they may be of an organization or any institution. So all these individuals or organization, they all are using the same server, storage or other computing services together or like collectively. They all have the same server. This is what resource pooling says. Then the fourth characteristic is rapid elasticity or expansion. So what's rapid elasticity or expansion? That cloud technology is so flexible to use and the customers can easily scale their use of resource up and down as their need change. According to their need, they can change their resources on behalf of the cloud technology. This is what rapid elasticity or expansion says. And the fifth one is measured service. What is measured service? Measured service means like that customers pay for the amount of resource they are using in a given period of time rather than paying for the hardware or software upfront. So without paying for the full software or hardware, the customer can use their service on the amount which they are needed, like what amount of service they are needed and what amount of thing they want to access on the behalf of the period. In between the period they can access the service. This is what measured service says. So these are the some characteristics of cloud technology. I am repeating. First one is on demand self service, and second one is broad network access, and the third one is resource pooling, and fourth one is rapid elasticity or expansion, and the fifth one is measured service. So this is all about what cloud technology characteristics. So the next thing we are going to discuss is about cloud delivery models, the models of cloud technology which they are providing. So the cloud computing or the cloud technology is of different types, and they are categorized under subcategories also on the behalf of their physical location. So according to this category, the models of cloud technology is divided into three: public cloud system, private cloud model, and hybrid cloud model. So let's discuss one of them each. First is public cloud. So what is public cloud? In public cloud, the public cloud vendors offers the computing services to anyone in general sense. That means to the general public they are providing the services. So for that, they are maintaining the large data centers full of computing hardware, and their customers share these access via internet and through hardware. They are providing it to the hardware with the help of internet. So this is what's of public cloud. That means the service is offered to the public. And the next one is private cloud. So what is private cloud? That private cloud environment set aside for a exclusive use of any one organization or for any one of a particular individual. So more than this, like the public cloud, the private cloud cannot work. So this is for any institution or for any particular organization. So the next one is hybrid cloud. What is hybrid cloud? By its name also we can analyze that hybrid cloud is the combination of public cloud and private cloud. So these are the three important delivery models which are provided by the cloud technology. So first one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, and the last and the final one is hybrid cloud. So the next we are going to take a look is about the types of cloud technology. So what are the types of cloud technology? Actually there are three types of cloud technology which are existing. They are software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. These are the three types of cloud technology. So we can discuss one each. First one is software as a service. What is software as a service? Actually, in this type of cloud technology, it says fully about the licensing of a software. That means it involves the license of a software application to the customer. In licenses are typically provided through as pay as you go model or on demand model. So the software as a service denotes about the license of the software which are provided to the customers. The very next one is infrastructure as a service. The second model is infrastructure as a service. What is infrastructure as a service? Actually, it involves delivering everything from operating system to servers and storage through an IP ID address connectivity. So it involves a method of delivering the things, that delivering the services and data and information, the everything service, fully the services to the servers and storages through a IP based connectivity. So in this type of cloud technology, we can access through an IP address. We can easily get through the cloud. So this is what about the second one, infrastructure as a service. And the last one is platform as a service. So what's platform as a service? Actually, this platform as a service is the most complex among the other two. So the Platform as a service is for creating a software that is delivered via internet. So this is the most important thing, that platform as a service is actually providing the services via internet, fully through internet. There is no IP address, so there is not a matter of license or everything. So it is giving, delivering the data and information and get it to the storage through internet. The next thing is about the benefits of a cloud technology. For everything there must be a benefit, otherwise there is nothing to exist. Without any benefit, is anyone use any services? No, definitely no. So we can talk about the benefits of technology, this cloud technology. So the customers and organizations, on the behalf of their business or for individual purpose, there may be of different benefits. Even though an individual is accessing some through for a benefit which is entirely different from that an organization or a business purpose who are hiring this cloud technology. So some of the most important benefits through this cloud technology is convenience, speed, anytime, anywhere access, high availability, low cost, scalability, all etc. These are the main major benefits which are provided by the cloud technology to their customers. It's low of cost, and also its security is fixed, and it is high availability, and at any time, anywhere, if we are able to connect on internet, then we can access the cloud technology. So the cloud technology is fully insisted and fully taken part by the help of internet. So these are some of the major informations that so this is some major information regarding cloud technology. Those who have started to know about cloud technology must have gone through these informations, because in around us there are various peoples are using mobile phone, not only by youth but also by middle-aged peoples, adults, and so many. So for many people, they are complaining many times regarding the storage is running out, and there is no space in mobile and all these issues. This is because they do not know about this cloud system in their phone. In every mobile there is cloud system, and this technology is very useful because we can earn the resources, and we can earn our own space with money. Whatever the space we need, we can hire by money. So I am briefing all these things once more. So what's cloud technology? The cloud technology is the storage and access of data, informations, and programs over internet instead of computers hardware, or simply we can say it's a taking service. And this all the applications and all those things we can store by paying a little amount of money. It's the money matters according to the space, how much space that we are needed. So we have discussed a lot of things regarding cloud technology, like their characteristics, like on-demand services, broadband network access, rapid extension and elasticity, measured services, etc. And we have discussed about the models, private cloud model, public cloud model, hybrid cloud model, and the types of cloud technology regarding software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. So this is all about cloud technology. So it's time to end my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.